we're gonna do open the case now. Case. Apple smell. I can make enough of it. Maxi. Have your hands tools. This one held up. And now the phone. 3. It feels so good. Just to open it with Apple device. Nice. Cable, nothing else, just you suck. And the power on in her pretty screwy. Nice cable. Cute Apple sticker. I can never get enough of it. Pink case. Kingdom. Well, that's where like a lot of things just amazing. Okay, so I'm gonna do this right now. So I'm gonna cut this video. So I added the MagSafe cable here, and you can see it works so good. And then my how strong is this thing? It's so strong. So I can, oh my god, it's so big. It's so big. I can do this now. How high? Action mode to do 4K. So I'm gonna do a camera test, so give me like a minute or so.